Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Nioh 3 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on the PlayStation button. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now after restarting your PS5, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for an update option, and after updating the game, now try to launch it. If not, next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings and click on setup network connection. Here click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. Then you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Nioh 3 game. And after that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to change the language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar and select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Nioh 3 and then select restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5, then select console storage and tap on delete option. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to systems, software, select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 first and move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings and at last choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Nioh 3. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller, then select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install the game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.